Is the WhatsApp camera effects not turning on or grayed out from your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you the step-by-step guide of how you can fix the problem if the WhatsApp camera effects option is not turning on or grayed out inside the settings of WhatsApp. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. But now to fix the problem, before you do anything, simply go and open up the App Store from your device and then simply go ahead and search for WhatsApp. And once you've searched for it, and then simply go and tap on WhatsApp, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update the WhatsApp application to the latest version. But if you don't find an update, just get back from here and then open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again, tap on iPhone stores, and just need to search for WhatsApp. Go ahead and tap on WhatsApp and tap on Offload app. Tap Offload app, and lastly you just need to go ahead and tap on Reinstall app, and this will actually reinstall the app. This will won't delete any data from the WhatsApp. It just reinstall the app to your iPhone, and once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.